If you are looking for a completely free Office suite that can handle documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and much more, then Apache OpenOffice is still a solid option. But here's the thing, installing that isn't as straightforward as downloading a single installer, especially on Linux. There are a few extra steps, some hidden download links, and even a desktop integration package that many people completely miss. In this video, I will walk you through the entire installation process step by step, whether you are using Linux, Windows, or macOS. By the end of this video, you will have Apache OpenOffice fully installed and properly integrated into your system menu. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Apache OpenOffice website. Once you are on the home page, look for the download section. Now here's why many users get confused. Instead of simply clicking the big download button, we are going to visit the release page because that's where all the installation packages are available for different operating systems and architecture. On the release page, you will notice several files and folders. The actual download link can be surprisingly easy to miss, especially if you are visiting the page for the first time. Take your time and look for the package corresponding to your operating system. If you are using Linux, download the package that matches your distribution format. Well, the .deb package for Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Pop! OS, and other Debian-based distribution, and a RPM package for Fedora, openSUSE, Rocky Linux, Elma Linux, and other RPM-based distributions. If you are using Windows, download the Windows installer package, and if you are on macOS, download the macOS package. But don't stop there. Make sure you also download the language pack that matches your operating system. This will allow OpenOffice to display menus and tools in your preferred language. So go ahead and download both the main package and the language pack. Once both zip files finish downloading, navigate to your download folder. You will notice that the files are compressed inside an archive. Extract the archive using the file manager. After extraction, you will get a new folder containing the installation files. Now open that folder. Before installing anything, you will notice a README file inside the extracted folder. This file contains installation instructions provided by the OpenOffice developers. It's always a good idea to read it because installation procedures can occasionally change between releases. So open the README file and quickly review the instructions. Now let's proceed with the installation. Next, open a terminal directly inside the extracted folder. Most Linux file manager allows you to right-click inside the folder and choose Open in Terminal. This ensures that all installation commands are executed from the correct location. Once the terminal opens, simply paste the installation command provided in the README file and press Enter. The installer will now begin installing all Apache OpenOffice packages automatically. Depending on your system speed, this may take a few moments. Once the process completes, the core OpenOffice applications are already installed. Now we need to install the language pack. Navigate to the extracted language pack folder. Again, open the terminal in that folder. Just like before, copy the installation command from the README file and paste it into the terminal. Press Enter. The language pack will now be installed and linked with your OpenOffice installation. This ensures menus, dialogues, spell checking, and localization features work correctly. At this point, you might think we are finished, but if you open your Start menu, Application Launcher, or Desktop menu, you may notice something strange. Apache OpenOffice doesn't appear anywhere. No Writer, no Calc, no Impress. Don't worry. The software is installed correctly. There's just one final step that many users overlook. Inside the extracted installation folder, look for a directory named Desktop Integration. This folder contains packages responsible for creating application shortcuts and menu entries. Open that folder, you will find another installation package specifically for desktop integration. Install this package using the same method described in the README file. Once the installation completes, the OpenOffice will register itself with your desktop environment. Now finally, open your application menu. Navigate to the Office category. You should now see the OpenOffice Writer, OpenOffice Calc, Impress, Draw, Base, as well as Math. Go ahead and launch one of them. If the application opens successfully, congratulations! Apache OpenOffice is now fully installed and integrated in your system. And that's it. You now know how to install Apache OpenOffice properly on Linux, Windows and macOS, including the language pack and the often forgotten desktop integration package. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Linux tutorials, software guides and open source discoveries. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.